So we have another problem where we need to solve for the variable. In this case, the variable is c. Probably the first step you want to do maybe is think you have a left side and a right side. One thing we notice is we have our variable on both the left and the right. So you need to start by picking out which side you want your variable to be on, because we've got to get it all alone. I'm going to move it to the left just because I have 10 c's on the left and 2 c's on the right. In order to do that, we have to do the inverse operation. That means you do the opposite to get it to the opposite side. So again, I have a c on the right and a c on the left. And I'm going to move my c on the right to the left, and it's a positive 2c. The inverse operation would be minus 2c. When you're subtracting and you're thinking, what am I doing? Well, I know it goes away on the right because that's the whole point of inverse operation. And on the left, if you don't know the sign, if there's nothing in front of that 10c, just put a little plus sign there, because anything doesn't have a sign is positive. So positive 10 minus 2 we know is 8. And don't forget to bring down your c and everything else, of course. Now we have the next step. 8c equals 48. We have to do the inverse operation again. When numbers are so close, like 8 and c, they're touching practically, it means they're multiplying. So the inverse of multiplication is division. Do what you do on the left, you do it on the right. It cancels out. That's the whole point of inverse operation. We're left with c equals 48 divided by 8, which is 6. The last thing you need to do, or may want to do, is just check your answer. So on the very first line, I'm going to plug in 6 wherever I see a c. So 10c, that's 10 times 6, which is 60. On the right, I plug it in for c. That's 2 times c, which is 12. Don't forget to add the 48, and that gives me 60. So we have 60 on the left and 60 on the right. We know we solved it, and we're done.